Another late night mail delivery. I guess not late. Late night. After 8. Alright. I'm gonna have to edit. You won't know, but I'm gonna have to edit this on my phone. My iPad took a tumble the other night, so it's out of commission. What the heck? Did they do some work on this or what? I don't see any new buttons or anything. Huh, that's weird. I'll have to let them know tomorrow. I guess they won't be here, but, you know, like, send them a note or something. But our apartment building's the type that is old, so it doesn't have modern, like, cell phone type thing. Cell phone alerts. They're not really alerts, but we can, like, text management, if you will, or maintenance about a problem. Right. That's something I got today too. I just realized I kind of played every Chris. Realize I kind of played every kiss begins with K there. Yeah, in case you didn't see that, it's a Yamaha MK100. Ah! Finally got my hands on it. It's kind of cool. Okay then. And I'm not sure how this mounts. Most of them I've seen don't have a bracket. I think it might just mount this way. Maybe not. Maybe those. Probably a bracket. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be a thing. It's gonna be a thing. What's wrong with me tonight? Doesn't matter. It's not gonna be, used. There's your piezo. The hinge is broken, but I knew that. Thankfully it was disclosed. Might get another one. Back thing to stay on. There, I'm seeing a light. I'll get a connector. Finally. Negative side came undone. Both sides came undone. Look, this connector. Alright. Finally found another alligator clip. Oh, it's only single line display. That's interesting. It's only one line display now. Where those come on. And it doesn't stop beeping after a couple of presses. #1 auto system. Probably 16 character. Okay. Well, one thing you might have also noticed, it's not making any noises other than it's not making any alert noises. I don't think that's going to do anything. Yeah, see, nothing causes the display to change. Pretty cool though. Like I said, I might get another one too. I still like this one though. Still plenty of with this. I think I've seen this once in a house, while home searching. Sadly, I don't think it ever made it into an episode because I think the alarms were modern, so. There's only so much you can do with that. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it just comes out of system. What those do flash though, as you can see. Let's see. Pretty cool. Now, and to part one. Thanks for watching. That's right.